We're bringing Jamaica to Orlando. If you haven't been to Jamaica, you're gonna go there right now.
With Spice Jamaican Cuisine.
Yeah.
Authentic Jamaican food by Jamaicans.
We taking it out of our kitchen and
To their mouth.
to their mouth, yeah.
What sets you apart?
Everything sets us apart. We're not just Caribbean food. We're real authentic Jamaican food. The taste, the everything, it's on point by Jamaicans.
Whenever everyone comes to Jamaican, the oxtail is like the big thing. So we suggest you try everything, but we'll probably give you the oxtail first because that's usually the one that everyone asks.
Curry goat, fried chicken,
Jerk
you
chicken.
name it, the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, the beef, spicy beef patties. And we also have natural juice, so just come on in and enjoy.
Yeah. When I decided to do this, I did a search for companies that build trucks, and I actually went to another one, and the trucks they were offering, I wasn't interested in. I came over here, and just the environment alone that you guys provided was just like the best. Customer service was
good,
and kind of guide me into what I wanted. You know, some of the stuff that you didn't figure out.
Right.
Jimmy just kind of laid it out, boom, 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 and it was that easy.
And
for
the
us,
quality,
yeah, and
Top
obviously
notch.
was very good because I bought a second truck from you guys.
Yeah.
They made it so easy. For real.
Yeah.
Your customer service is just welcoming. You guys took us in like family, you know, and that just helps you to make the decision. And we're new in this. So with you that is experienced, you know, breaking it down to us, it was that easy. So yeah, that's how we come to One Fat Frog, and we wouldn't trade it.
What about you guys? You guys are awesome because you bring us food too. What's the deal with that? Why are you so hospitable?
We're grateful. We're very grateful. You made the experience, you know, very good, and that's
Very
just us
easy,
saying thank you.
welcoming, and
Yes.
we actually wanted to kind of give you guys some of our ideas.
Yeah,
So
that's part
we
of our
introduced us like, okay,
Yeah.
this is actually what we're going to be selling.
Right.
So we wanted you to taste it, and from the response, I think you guys enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know you treat us like family. Like,
Yeah.
we feed family.
Yeah, we definitely do. That is true.
You guys got to be the first Jamaican truck, right? Like I can't think of any.
I feel like it.
Yeah.
I
I feel like it, you know, but which is a great thing. Yeah. So we are playing. Our hopes of this thing is that we get so big, and we do believe that's going to happen. That we are able to get brick and mortar spots, and even a couple more food trucks all over Florida.
That's it.
You know.